Capr stock has printed a second straight day of losses. It closed the session of today, the 6th of May 2025, with a loss of 29.32%, has just recovered slightly more. Tomorrow the 7th of May, it's expected to even print another 52-week low. But after that, we might begin to see a pivot and momentum may begin to recover based on what we have here on the daily chart. Yeah. Okay, let's quickly have a look at the extrapolation of the price. That's where we'll see that indication. Let's see. Let's get that indicator and see and extrapolate the price. Yeah, let's do a forecast for the price. Let's see now, or rather extrapolation, whichever one you want to use. We just change this to one. Let's see. Yeah. So after that, we will begin to see some strength will start to come in by Thursday the 8th. And when it's going to be as a result of we saw earlier on that momentum will may spike. All of these are projections and extrapolations. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. And then if all things are equal, it will this rebound will be as a result of a volatility expansion. It will come into its in between the coming to the wedge that is being formed by the that will be formed by the 10 and 21 period moving averages, and contract slightly and then spring up again, and all in all, by Wednesday the 14th of May, it's expected to recover some of these losses. And yeah, it could be more or it could be less, but if tomorrow turns out to be yet another, if it prints yet another 52 week low tomorrow, it would not be out of place to expect that a rebound should occur anytime soon. Yeah. It wouldn't be out of place to expect that rebound will occur anytime thereafter. So on the daily chart, we have let's see now. Yes, this is what is equally extrapolated on the daily charts. Yes, tomorrow it will print another 52-week low slightly. No, not a 52-week low. It will inch down slightly again, and then after that, by Thursday, it will begin to pick up strength. All in all, by Wednesday the 21st, some expansion or some buy the dip momentum will come in, and we'll see it just like in the case of the 4-hour chart. We will see it. We may see it um, spike into the wedge that may be formed by the extrapolation of the 10 and 21-day moving averages. Contract there for a couple of sessions, and then print another 52-week low, and maybe try to rebound. We don't want to extrapolate too much, too far too rough, because this as it is now is highly unstable, and you can't rely on it. If anything comes now, if the market decides to buy the dip tomorrow and defy this downward projection, all things will change. And if momentum comes in tomorrow the 7th of May, if we may find out that yes, if it comes in, you see that these moving averages will adjust. But what is likely to happen also is that what is likely to remain is this contraction. It may just take a different shape, but yeah, and I think this will continue. It will remain. If a rally comes up tomorrow, by the deep rally comes up tomorrow, these will move up as well. These extrapolations will adjust up to the upside, and then also re-emphasize or reiterate a contraction inside wedge and all that. So if it's down as well, yeah, it will just do the same thing as well. I think it may continue to extrapolate a rebound, a pivot. So that we have here, let's see now, in terms of projections, we have 7.81, 5.28, 3.71. Some time ago, we had really ambitious projections. We had like 13.67, 15.68, 17.70, really ambitious. Yes, we had every reason to do that. Can see this sort of highs it's coming down from. Yeah, we have here 21.72. 21.72 was okay. That was in October. Early December at 19.53. Yeah. Okay, let's see now. As 14th of February, 15.52. So no, not very long ago. Um, April 23rd, 13.84. Yeah, did we get anything like that? No, 13.84. I don't exactly remember when we had those projections. We had 13.67, 15.68, and then 17.70. If we had that projection before 22nd of April, then I think we did, probably did. So that has come in, that has printed. So as a matter of fact, by from the 9th of April, yes, it rallied with the broader market slightly and then continued to maintain that strength, that momentum up till the rejection it got at the 22nd of April. So let's see now. This is a projection that is in play. Yeah, that's 7.81, I believe. No, it's not. It's actually 13.28. 13.28. What's the probability of it printing that? Let's have a look. 13.28. We will just move sideways and find what the moving average is. Moving average is yeah, 10.66. Not fantastic. So not very good. Not very good chance that it can. The probability of it printing that is not high. Not most certainly less than 50%. And let's see this again. Yeah, most certainly less than 50. But it has it's a this is a lot of there's a strong resistance there that it has to deal with. You can see a lot of yeah, rejections there. Quite a decent one. You can see, yeah, there's one here, right around there. Two, three. You can even count this four. Yeah, four, and then even these are not out of platers. That you could still associate them with this. Yeah, around yeah, four of them. So let's see now. So I'm trying to pick up moving averages. 12.98. Here we have 12.7, 12.89. Here we have 12.79. Here we have 12.71. Here we have 12.96. Yeah, so yeah, the probability may be there. No, it not it may be there, but not most certainly less than 50%. Most certainly less than 50%. So I guess because of these, there's a lot it has to deal with trying to break through there. But it only takes yeah, aggression will all of these all of these resistances will they don't mean anything. They're just statistical milestones, if you like, or statistical yeah, a statistical past, but statistical record. So what we could also have a look at its yeah, moving its probabilities and see what they're indicating at the moment to just give us it's not going to tell us what's going to happen in the future. It's just going to give us an idea of how things are right now. So this is the daily chart. And the line trend is still bullish. You can see that it's still bullish. So probability of it remaining below its probability. I think probability of it remaining of probability of it maybe staying up, getting above this 27. This the 200 moving average is 27%. Yeah, and then probability of it yeah, rebounding against over. I mean, okay, the probability of it staying below. Yeah, okay. A bit of it staying below the 10, 40, and 21 day moving averages are greater than 50, 90%. Yeah, greater than 90%. So the probability of it surpassing the 200-day moving average is 27%. Yeah, so yeah, the chance that it's going to, pose a, come up with this, they pose a strong rebound that will, you know, bring it close to its 10-day moving average, to say the least. It's very slim, Yeah. So the news, is there any news concerning it? I think FDA has appointed an anti-COVID critic as its vaccine top vaccine official. Yeah, I think that's the latest news. Yeah, and all the other vaccine related stocks, including let's see now, including Moderna, they're all down. They all lost some of their lost some value in this session. So CAPR currently down 29%, expected to continue to retrace by tomorrow, the 7th of May. All of those are just projections and extrapolations. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Market participants are watching. They know now. They know already about the these deeps that it's been printed. That's been printed. So we had this intraday low yesterday. Yesterday or today? It was today. Yeah, today. $6.97. So just have a look and see what you make of CAPR stock, and still in a strong bullish trend. Regardless, still in a strong bullish trend. Even though it has been retracing since when? Since the 30th of October. It was unbelievable. Still hasn't dented this moving average. Unbelievable stuff. Yeah. Okay, just yeah. Once again, see what you make of CAPR, and thank you very much for watching this video.